guys, I'm Sangkyung Longast. Welcome to Asian at Home. Before we jump into the recipe, I want to announce my giveaway real quick. I'm going to give away this noodle shirt. This is my merch. Lucky one winner will get my merch. It's open for internationally, so more details for the giveaway is down below, or wait until the end of the video. I will explain some more. So keep watching my giant jjajangmyeon recipe. So let's get into it. I actually shared the regular jjajangmyeon recipe, which is Korean black bean noodles, and I also shared the vegan version. But today I'm going to share the giant version that I had in Korea. Whenever you want to throw some like a fun party, go ahead and try this giant jjajangmyeon challenge at home, okay? So the first thing what we need to do is prepare your protein. You will need a pound of pork shoulder or pork butt. I cut it into small pieces right here, and I have a half pound of seafood mix. It was just a frozen seafood mix. I just blanched it in boiling water for like 15 to 30 seconds, so we can kind of get rid of a little, you know, like a seafoody smell, seafood juice in there. It might be too overpowering, so I blanched them. I rinsed under the cold water, so it's ready to go. And I'm going to chop up some garlic. We need to prepare all of our vegetables before we start the cooking, because as soon as we start the cooking, it's gonna be fast. So I'm chopping 5 cloves of garlic and same amount of ginger. I just washed my ginger super duper clean, so I didn't need to really peel them, but go ahead and peel it if that's what you prefer. Next, some green onions. So these 2 green onions are like super duper fat green onions, like chubby green onions. So I'm using 2 of these. So if you're using just regular size green onion, maybe you should use 4 of them. Next, 2 large onions, medium-sized cube, or you will call large dice. Next vegetable is zucchini. So I'm going to dice the zucchini same size as the onion. Zucchini will be so delicious in this jjajangmyeon with their natural sweet and little softer texture. So okay, all our protein, vegetables are good to go. So let's get started cooking. I'm gonna heat my wok over high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil into the wok. All right, my oil seems hot. They're starting doing those little wave dancing. So I'm gonna add my pork. All of it. Just start fry the pork until they are 3/4 way to cook and little crisp brown on the edge. About 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, we're not gonna add anything yet. All the seasoning is coming later. My pork looking good. I'm going to add all my garlic, ginger, and green onions. The oil that we added with the pork fat will create this amazing aromatic oil with the garlic, ginger, green onion. It's gonna be so amazing. We just need to start fry this aromatic vegetable about 1 minute or so, 1 to 2 minutes, not too long. Everything smells so good. It's time for 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just make sure to add the soy sauce around the edge of the wok, not direct into the pork. This way the soy sauce will slightly burn around the hot edge of the pan. It's gonna just create amazing, 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 delicious umami flavor. Yes. Soy sauce get enough burn. And you smell this amazing, oh my goodness, when soy sauce burn, that smell you cannot create otherwise. Now I'm gonna add all my onions and zucchini. I know it looks like a lot because, guys, this is for a freaking giant jjajangmyeon challenge recipe, okay? So we need to make like pot full or this wok full. We're just gonna start fry the onions and zucchini with all that delicious aroma that we create with the pork, ginger, garlic, green onion, and soy sauce. So onion and zucchini have a little time to absorb all that deliciousness. All right, they are all mixed evenly. This is time to add some Chinese yellow bean paste. Similar with miso or doenjang, but slightly different version of the Chinese version of it. So you can purchase this from your local Asian or Chinese grocery store or from online. I will put the link down below. We will need 2 tablespoons of yellow bean paste. And of course, jjajangmyeon is known for this chunjang, which is a black bean paste. We will need a quarter cup of it. Chunjang is easy to find in your local Korean grocery store or actually online as well. And online is really easy to find. I will put the link down below. Make sure you get the one that already stir fried, that has this 볶음 sign right here, means they are already stir fried sauce that you don't need to stir fry separately, you know, in the different pan with a huge portion of oil and all that. Like, you don't need to do all that. Just purchase the already stir fried black bean paste sauce, okay? Time for 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Nice umami flavor, and one and a half to 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how do you like your jjajangmyeon to be. If you like your jjajangmyeon to be really sweet, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons, but 1.5 tablespoons do for me. So mix all the sauces and vegetables and meat all together. Oh, this looks freaking amazing already. So this recipe is actually inspired from Lee Yeon-bok, the best Chinese chef in Korea, and he actually did this fun variety show that selling Korean Chinese food in China, and if the local will eat or not. And that show was freaking amazing. I loved the show, and whole time I was just craving Korean Chinese food, and it was actually a great time me too making this recipe for you. A lot of ingredients inspired from his recipe, so hopefully you guys enjoy as well. Even though you're Chinese, you know what? You might love Korean Chinese food because this is so good. After all the sauces all mixed really, really well, all the moisture coming from the zucchini and onion start to make the jjajangmyeon a little more soupier, which is we love, a little more saucier, I would say, a little more saucier. This is the time to add half cup of chicken stock. And start one more time, and we are going to bring this a hard boil and let that just keep boil only about 2 to 3 minutes. Oops, I almost forgot my seafood. So go ahead and add the seafood when they start boiling. Alright, while the jjajang sauce is boiling away, I'm going to make slurry real quick by mixing 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or potato starch into same amount of cold water. Make them nice and thick and also make them really nice and shiny. Now I'm just going to turn off the heat, julienne some cucumber for the garnish. Dude, is my knife skill like really freaking amazing? Like, look how even they are and like how fast I did and like gorgeous. So professional. Today I'm going to use this Korean fresh noodles, and this is actually my favorite one to use for my jjajangmyeon because they are nice and bouncy and the thickness is just perfect. You can get this from frozen section or refrigerator section from Korean or Asian grocery stores. Really easy to find. Water is boiling back there right now, and I'm just loosen my noodles like this so they will heat the boiling water all evenly. Cook the noodles by following the direction of the package you are using, and make sure you are using large enough pot with enough water, otherwise you will go through the problem I just went through. I don't know what stupid part of me thought that pot and water was enough for that much of noodles, but I was too lazy to change the pot and doing all that, so I just made it happen. After that, I just rinse under the like a little warm water so they will get rid of all the starch but not let the noodles get cold. Now let's pour the jjajang sauce.
Oh, my little honeydew, I wish you saw you.
And this is ready to rock and roll. Guys, serious. Oh my god. What I'm gonna do with this. Are you guys ready for this? Actually, this color of the jjajangmyeon looks like the old-fashioned jjajangmyeon. My childhood jjajangmyeon color looks like.
I feel all warm inside.
I should have got some 단무지 too, but it's okay. Let's taste it. The moment of the truth. Wow, dude, this is like actually tastes like one of the most famous jjajangmyeon restaurant in Seoul, like Insadong. Like they are really known for their history and all the fashion style of still making jjajangmyeon. It's like almost identical. Other than that, I'm not having potato in here, which is very old way to make jjajangmyeon. We don't add the potato anymore, but as long as it has missing potato, it's almost identical. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It's the umami flavor from like we burnt the soy sauce earlier, and the oyster sauce, the yellow bean paste with the black bean paste, and all together. And the zucchini is really good in here too. I can't even. It's so good. I highly recommend to try this recipe, guys. And if you already loved my jjajangmyeon recipe before, you guys are gonna dig in for this. This is like different level of jjajangmyeon. It's so good. Okay, let me keep eating after I explain about how to enter my noodle shirts giveaway. See, this is perfect. You should like wear this merch, make this recipe. I know I should wear this merch today. I just really wanted to wear this nice clothes because I'm going somewhere later. So guys, enter my noodle shirt, my merch giveaway by be a subscriber of my channel, which is just subscribe my channel and give this video thumbs up to show me some love and comment down below. I love noodles. You have to be 18 plus old, you know, just for little responsibility kind of thing, you know what I mean? Yeah guys, that's all you have to do. Just subscribe my channel, thumbs up this video, and comment down below, leave a comment to say I love noodles. I cannot wait you to wear my merch, take a picture and send it to me. It's gonna be so awesome. Good luck to you. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you guys loved my jjajangmyeon recipe, my giant jjajangmyeon challenge recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Sangyeong Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye!